I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this to look like this. Stay tuned and watch for all the details. So we are making illusion crochet happen. First thing you're going to do is create a braid, but at the beginning of the braid, you're going to start off with the crochet hair. You're going to put it in before even crocheting it in. You're going to first slip one side while you braid and the other side in the middle piece that you are braiding the natural hair with. So essentially just putting it in the middle of the braid as you make your first cornrow. This is how you get the crochet hairs piece to stick out in the front to really create an illusion hairstyle that there's just one cohesive thing. Now in the back, we're going to be putting two braids together just so when you make those parts, they're not going all the way down to the back. We're kind of creating to an illusion of where it's like no leave out, just everything is cohesive in one. This will be a good method to do if you're trying to make sure that your crochet hair looks like your natural hair, girl. I would make two braids and put it into one. Some of y'all are going to ask what hair I'm using. I'm using the Water Deep Wave, and this is going to be from YG Wigs. They sent over 4 packs of the color 30 and 1 pack of the color 27. So I went ahead and used all the packs for this entire hairstyle. Like I'm saying, I used every single pack we had. After I got done braiding, I started to just crochet as normal, just crocheting hair all over in the back and the front, just regularly taking that piece of crochet hair, looping both pieces through and creating a knot essentially on the hair. This is how I crochet all of her hair on her head and then essentially put like color 27 in just some areas, but mostly color 30. Let's work on the part. This is where you get the real tea. How did I fix up this part, y'all? So what happened is the thread is black. We don't want that to show, and we already crocheted everything through. So we're going to go back underneath the braid and pull the crochet hair that we do already have on the braid underneath that braid and over. We want to create the illusion that that thread and braid is not even there. So we're going to take one piece that's already crocheted. Like I said, go up under the braid, pull it through the braid and over. Now, once you've done that and you've done the entire section, I'm going to show y'all how I tease. Some people use a brush, some people use a comb. I just use my fingers. Now that I have one side down packed, it's time to tease. So I'm essentially using one hand to hold on slightly to the piece of hair that I want to start teasing, and then I'm using my other hand to pull down some pieces of hair very gently so that it teases it. This will create the illusion that this is all coming from the scalp. This method is super easy to create an illusion with crochet. This method is super easy. Anybody can do it. Now, if you can't use your fingers, you can definitely use a small brush or a small comb, even an edge control like brush. You can use one of those too if you want to use something really small that's not as big as a brush. But this is just how I did it, and it really came out nice. My friend is on her way to Europe, so we wanted to make sure that we can't see the threads. Like, we did not want this to be clockable, and I felt like we did exactly that. Now, a lot of people are asking how we're going to take this down. That's another video for another day. I'll be doing my hair the exact same way. So I guess I have to show you guys my method of when I do take my hair down. Now, the crazy thing is, the middle part was not the only section we wanted to do this on. My friend knew that she wanted to also do a few side parts on the left and the right side. So I went ahead and did this illusion with the crochet hair on both the left and the right side, and then a middle part for versatility. And I'm really glad I did that because now she can wear her hair either way if she's feeling like a middle part, side part, and the front, of course, I also teased because we had to make sure that everything in the front was also looking very seamless. A fast and easy tutorial. You guys will have to let me know what you think. I think I did a really good job. I think this color looks so pretty on her. I love this, and I know she's ready for her Europe trip. She's gonna have a blast, and this is gonna be perfect for her versatility. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos just like this one.